Hello, welcome to my YouTube page. I will be teaching on how to perfectly edit an ebook. The first thing you are going to do is you go to your Word document. You click on your Word document. So this is the file I want to edit. I'll click on it. So after getting here, so the first thing I'm going to do is edit and design my title page. I'll edit and design my title page. Okay, I'll come to where what is forex is. I'll press enter and make sure it goes to the next page. So this is on the next page already, so I'll move back to the first page, which will be my title page. That is the first page of a book. So I'll left click and move my screen. I'll move it, then I will release my hand. I'll move to this font size. I'll increase the size 48. Then I'll go to this font, then I'll select whatever I want. So I can select this Britannic bold. Then I'll put it in enter. Once I'm done with this, I will be inputting a picture here. On that same title page, I want to put a picture that is related to the title of the book. So in order to input a picture, I'll go to Google Chrome. When I get to Google Chrome, I'll click on, so I'll search for freepik.com. So this is it. I'll click on enter. So here I'll move down a little bit, then I'll click on photo because that's what I'm looking for, a photo. So here the title is Forex Trader for Beginners. So here I'll search for forex trader. So I'll click enter. So it will bring so many pictures, so I'll be the one to select what to use. So I'll see so many pictures here. We have so many pictures here, so you can decide to select any one. So I've checked this one, I haven't seen the one I want, so I will click on next page. Here I will move down also to check if there is anyone I would like to use. So I can decide to pick this. I can decide to use this. So you just click on the photo you want to use, then you will left click, you click on save image. You can save it as maybe forex trading. You click on enter to save, then you go back to your Word, then you click on where you want the picture to be. I want it to be there. I'll go to insert picture, then this device. So I'll move to download, then from download I'll click on the picture I want. After clicking on the picture I want, then I'll insert. insert, insert. After inserting the picture I want, after inserting the picture, although this was not the picture I downloaded, but I think I've downloaded this before, so I'll be using this. So I'm using this picture. So the title page is ready. So look at it now, forex trading guide for beginners, and this is the picture I decided to use. Can you see that it looks nice with this? So now I want to keep editing. So the next page, so I have to bring this backward so that it will be starting from the beginning of the second page. So from here I will left click, I'll move my mouse to where what is forex it is. I will left click and highlight, then I'll move to font size, then I can click on maybe 26, then I'll come to the font. I can try to click on anything, maybe then bold, make sure it's bold. But before I continue, I would like to justify the text. If you notice, you will notice that these text are not uh, did not align. Look at, so I will left click and make sure I highlight everything that is here, then I'll click on Ctrl J to justify. So let me move back to it. You'll see the changes. Look at, you'll see that the text align. Can you see? Can you see what I'm talking about? So now I want to, let me increase the size of the text from here. I want to increase the size of the text and also change the font. So I'll go to this. I might click maybe 14. 14 is okay. I'll click enter. Then I want to change the font size also. Before I can change the font size, I'll highlight also. So I'll highlight from here. I'll highlight from here and change the font. I'll come here, change the font, and I change it to bookmark or style. Enter. So from here, so I'll continue my editing. So what is forex? These are the thing under it. So this is another subheading again. I'll highlight it, change the size. I think I used, what size did I use for this? Let me confirm. This is size 26, so I'll also use size 26 for this. Size 26, 26. Then bold. So the next one is, okay, after this, so this is another subheading here. Okay, this is another subheading. What are the base currency and quote currency? So I'll also highlight this, change the font size to 26, then bold, then bold. I want to make sure this one is okay, then bold. Then I'll come back here. I'll come to this, to this place again. This is another subheading. I will highlight, change the font size to 26 again. Then move. Then I'll make sure it is bold. You can press Ctrl B or you click on this bold. So I'll keep moving. I've seen another subheading again, forex terminology. I'll highlight it, size 26, then bold. Then here are some of the terms you should know when starting a trade forex. So this side, these are some terms to know when starting to trade forex. So I will highlight all of this. I will highlight this to this last part. Then I can put maybe this bullet here. I can put the bullet there to make it. Can you see the way it looks like? So I'll move down again. This is another subheading. I'll highlight it. Make sure it's bold. Then change the size to 26. 26. 26. Then I'll move up again. I'll move up again. All these, all these, um, all these subheading. I will make sure it's bold. That's the only thing I will do here. Make sure it is bold. Make sure it is. Make sure this is also bold. Everything bold. This lot also should be bold. This leverage also should be bold. This margin also should be bold. Margin level also bold. Position, trading position also bold. So after doing all of this, you move down again. Okay, also all this also I can put a bullet there. I will highlight it from this major bank to this last part. Then I'll put a bullet there. Bullet. So you see how it looks like. Yeah, very nice. So I'll move to this major bank. I'll make sure it's bold. The multinationals bold. Central bank bold. And that is all about that. So this is another thing. Some of the major central banks that are influencing the global forex market include. So I'll just make sure this is bold also. I might also increase the size. I might increase the size. Okay, no. Let's just say 16. So this has so I can input a bullet here also. Bullet. Then I'll move down again. This is another thing. I'll just make sure it is bold also. Okay. Make sure it is bold. Then I'll make sure it is bold. Then I'll move down again. This is another thing. This is under subheading. I can put it in the next page. Then highlight it. Make sure it is bold. Then increase the size to 26. To 26. Then I'll move down again. These are some terms also. I will highlight it. After highlighting it, then I'll put bullets. After putting a bullet there, I will highlight bold, highlight bold, highlight bold. Then you come down again. I will highlight again. Make sure it is bold. Then I'll come here again. This is another subheading. I can make it start in the next page. I'll click on enter for it to move to the next page. So it is here already. I'll highlight this again. Make sure it is bold. Then increase the size to 26. Increase the size to 26. So I'll move down again. I'll move down again. Then starting from central back, I'll put a bullet again. Then I'll make sure this is bold. I'll make sure this is bold. Highlight bold. Can you see how it looks like? So this is the first page, the title page. Look at it. It's attractive, right? So this is the next one. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see how it looks like? So we move to the next one again. Why trade forex? I'll highlight again. Make sure it is bold. Increase the size to 26. Then highlight everything here, starting from this high quality. I'll highlight it and bring it down. Then I'll click on bullets. I'll bring it up. Then I will highlight this high liquidity. I'll also highlight this and make sure it's bold. I'll highlight and bold. The next one, highlight and bold, highlight, bold, highlight, bold, highlight, bold. I think this is the end of our editing. So starting from the beginning, can you see how attractive it looks? Can you see? Very attractive. So for more videos concerning ebook editing, you can subscribe. On our YouTube channel. I'll be posting more videos on how to put watermark in an ebook, how to do book cover, paperback, and so many other things. Thank you.